Hello, my friends. Vincent from Prosa, as always. Very privileged today that having my special guest for this video.
Hi, this is Fiona.
Well, without further ado, let's jump right into it because today I'm going to show you and expound what exactly the MacBook case it is. So let's get started.
Do you still tired of identical boring laptop cases?
With the sublimation customization process, you can print everything you love onto the laptop cases.
Is this just a sticker?
Not at all. Look at this. With the professional A3 deep version vacuum machine, the ink has been fully infiltrated to the surface of the cases via high temperature sublimation process.
Oh, so the colors stay vibrant and won't peel off?
Exactly. It is a worry-free for daily use. A really great product. For this machine, for the appearance, as you can see, we have 4 essential adjustment gadgets here. And this is for adjusting the temperature and the pressure, and this is mainly the pressure indicator, and this is the switcher. When you want to start the machine, you have to rotate it, and you want to end the machine, you just simply press it down and the machine will gonna be stopped. And from the inside, Fiona, you can briefly introduce it.
Okay, and inside there has 2 heating pipes, and there is a power pump, and there has silicone sealing strips.
Okay, that's very interesting. As I can see, there are also 6 key locators for keycaps positioning. However, if you want to print sublimation keycaps, you should keep these 6 locators here. Furthermore, there are one more functionality about this machine that you can use the screwdrivers to take these 6 type of locators apart while you want to print phone case, airport case, or MacBook case. Yes, just depends on what kind of application that this machine you want to apply. For MacBook cases printing, we require 2 heating plates to finish the job. And this one here, and I put it in.
And this plate, you can see there has a slot. The slot can lock the laptop jig in a firmly placed to perfect print.
Okay, let's put it in as well. Perfectly in place.
Oh, I'm ready to see the magic. Let's check out the final result.
The workflow is plain and simple. Print, dry, mount, vacuum, heat, and peel it off. Pay attention that the temperature should be set at 130 to 140 degrees, and the time should be about 4 to 6 minutes.
Wow, the result is incredible.
Yes, absolutely. 100% fully covered with the vivid and crystal clear pattern and designs and colors. Okay, let's check out with the real devices by this real MacBook to assemble them. How beautiful and suitable it is. Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we print more than laptop cases?
Absolutely not, and we also cover a sequence series of coded pieces and material cases. For example, shin guard and this airport and the key mouse cases and the phone cases eventually.
And the keycaps. Do Prosub only have this model?
We have standard, deep, and even custom designs tailored to your specific product needs.
And they are safe for industrial use?
Definitely. Our equipment is CE and FCC certified for safety in any environment.
contact us today.
For your exclusive one-stop sublimation solution.